The Bureau of Indian Standards is a national standards body of India responsible for setting product standards. It makes sure that products sold in the country meet required levels of safety, performance and quality. There are multiple schemes under which a manufacturer can apply for a license. One of them is called Scheme 2. Under Scheme 2, also known as a Compulsory Registration Scheme or CRS, certain notified products, especially electronics and IT goods, must be registered with BIS before they can be sold in India. In this scheme, the manufacturer ensures conformity of the product to the relevant Indian standard after getting it tested in a BIS-approved laboratory. To begin the process, the manufacturer first identifies the applicable Indian standard for the product and determines whether the product is notified under CRS. The applicant then registers on the BIS CRS online portal by creating an account and submitting manufacturing details along with supporting documents such as the MSME certificate, business license and product specifications, that is models and brand, along with other required documents. The manufacturer then selects product samples and gets them tested at a BIS recognized third-party laboratory. The test report confirming compliance with the relevant Indian standard is uploaded by the testing laboratory on the portal. The manufacturer then submits an application to BIS using this test report. Along with it, they must also upload all necessary documents and pay the requisite fee through the portal. BIS examines the submitted documents and test report to ensure everything is in order. Since Scheme 2 is based on self-declaration supported by lab testing, there is no factory visit involved in the regular process. Once the application is found compliant, a registration number is generated. The manufacturer is then authorized to use the standard mark along with this registration number on the registered models. Scheme 2 covers major product categories such as electronic and IT goods, solar photovoltaic products, chemicals and cotton bales. Even after registration, products remain under surveillance through market monitoring and sample testing to ensure continued compliance with Indian standards. Through Scheme 2, BIS provides a structured and efficient registration process while ensuring that notified products entering the Indian market meet essential safety and quality requirements.